Hello, and you're welcome to the Ndma website. First of all, what you do is you go to the Ndma website, that is ndma.gm, and when you do that, you go to the dashboard. While it is redirecting you to the dashboard, you first sign in to get into the dashboard. You put your credentials, then you sign in. Well, this is the dashboard, and these are some data that are inside it. You can see the total data input, the total visits, the early warning, and the latest warning. Well, according to the COVID-19, the total cases of COVID-19 at the moment, this is the number of cases. The number of cases is lower than the total cases. The main reason for this is because of limited testing. If you want, you can check on a country. Okay, this is Africa, this is the continent, and then this is Gambia here. Okay, well, you can compare countries as well. For instance, you can see just Gambia also. Let's look at Gambia. Okay, so this is Gambia, and this is April 14. We had just 9 cases, and today and on the 17th of June we have 34 cases. This was 16 and 17, we have 34 cases. And you can compare countries. All you do is to add the country. For instance, Senegal. Okay, in Guinea. You can compare as much countries as you want, but I'll be comparing Guinea and Senegal with Gambia. So for instance, in April 23rd, Senegal had 479 cases, Guinea had 862, and Gambia only had 10. And till to date, till the 17th of June, Gambia had only 34 cases and Senegal had 5,247, while Guinea had 4,639. Okay, then we go to the daily cases dashboard. So this is shown according to colors. For instance, this one is representing the currently infected. The red is the pink is representing the currently infected. That's why everything is hidden and just the currently infected is showing. And this is showing that the recovered, like all the people that are recovered will be shown in this, and this will be showing the dead cases of COVID-19. Okay, and then you can view it in different ways. For instance, you can view it like this if you want, and this is still the dead cases. This is going to be the dead cases, and this is the recovered, and this is the currently infected people. And also you can view it by table, like the file name, the currently infected, the recovered, and the death. As you see, everything is clear from the date January to the current date. So, and also you can download it either by Excel or CSV or still PowerPoint. Okay, so we go to the COVID-19 cases per region in the Gambia. For instance, these are the number of infected people in different regions. Like the West Coast region is 20, the infected people, number of different regions, Western and Central River and Upper River. This is the number of dead cases per region in the Gambia, and this is the number of recovered cases per region in the Gambia. You can see everything clear. Okay, and it's really interactive. Anytime you click on anything, you see what it is showing. Okay, and this is the global data source of GBOS. For instance, the population density of the Gambia from GBOS. This is the population, the annual population growth rate, the intercensual increase, okay, and the area per square kilometer, and the density per person square kilometers. This is it, and the years, and if you want to export or share. This is the population density of 2017. So you can see it's really interactive. If you click to a country, it will show you, like for instance in Gambia is 208 people per square kilometer of land area in 2017. So this is it, and the source is World Bank, and this is the Gambia population 2020 live. The current population of the Gambia based on the projection of the latest United Nations data. Okay, for instance, this is the Gambia population live, and this is the source. You can see the population rank, the growth rate, the world percentage, the density, and the land area. Everything is quite clear, and this is the Gambia growth rate, and these are the years, and this is the rate. The Gambia is currently growing rate at a rate of 3% per year, as we can see. Okay, and this is another chart, like the bar chart and the donut chart. This is for the Ndma if they want to upload anything or they want to showcase any chart, so they can use this for that. Okay, and then we will go to the other part of it, and that is okay, like for instance we were looking at the dashboard. Now for instance, if you want to add a data, if you want to add data to this, you click on that, and then you see the row list. You can add data to your dashboard. So what you do is to add documents, upload the document you want. So what you do is you enter the document information. For instance, this is the title. Okay, and this is the document you're posting. It should be the Ndma, and that's gonna be the date. For instance, it's 18 June 2020, and the body, that's gonna be the message or anything. Let's write test, and then we upload the data. So let's do the test 2, Ndma test 2. Then you open and then save it. So that means that the data has been uploaded. So you can see the bad data values, and that's the hazards and the empty rows. So you submit it. So you see that you have already uploaded the data. This is the latest data that have been uploaded, and that's the role test. Okay, so after that you can go to the alerts. Well, this is the dashboard alert list, and this is how it will be showing. So what you will do is, this is it, and you can read more about it. You can see the test alert title, the date of the alert, the source of the alert, and how high and low it is, and the category of the alert. Then you can read more about it. So just click on read more. But you can also add a chart alert. So what you will be doing is to upload the file that you'll be the photo that you'll be adding, the category, the source, like the multi or the Ndma, it depends on you, and how priority of the alert, if it is low, high, or medium, it depends on you. And then you can take it public if you want to go public, or you can just click on public if you want it to be just something that will be inside. Then you save what you already did. So going to the users, for instance, this is the users, and you can add users at any time. what you will do is you write the user's information, and then if you want the role that you want the user to play, for instance, if you want the user to only read or data publisher, or you want the user to be data synchronization and the data uploader, the data validator, or super admin. A super admin means that the user will be able to do all these things, and then the institution that you will be assigning the data to, like the MOTI, the GBOS, the Ndma Demo, or the Nana, and then you save these things. Okay, so if you enter the credentials, you will see the alert, and then as we go to the mapping, so this is the Gambia map that we got from the Z map. So this is for all the Gambia institution to be able to use the map. It doesn't mean that other maps will not be used, but this is a map that everybody will be able to include their data in, and you can see that you can do additions. You can upload a file or copy and paste a spreadsheet. For instance, this is it, and you can do the copy and paste. So it's all shown below. So we go to the WHO dashboard. So if you click on the WHO dashboard, it will redirect you to the WHO website, and you will see the dashboard about the global COVID-19 cases and death rate and recovered cases. So it's loading. So this is the WHO dashboard. So what you will do is you just type the country you're searching for instance Gambia. Okay, this is the Gambia, and you see that in Gambia we have 34 new cases and 1 death. So in the Gambia from March 18 to 11:36 CST 18 June 2020, there have been 34 confirmed cases of COVID-19 with 1 death. So you see it's all clear, the number of confirmed cases and the number of deaths over time. So this is it. This is the WHO organization, World Health Organization website, and that's their dashboard. So thank you so much for listening, and this is you can log out from the Ndma dashboard. So all you need to do is just click on log out.